You can buy in the market.
You make this and then you can take this.
Imagine how can we improve the 3D print to metal. In general, we also have 3D printers here, FBM and SLA. But it can use only plastics. The FBM is the PLA and SLA is the leading. But we can use the 3D printer object into mold and we can cast metals. So this is what I did in Hamamatsu. I used the same 3D printer, SLA 3D printers, and I printed this one. So SLA 3D printer is very nice quality, have a nice qualities. And this is made from the special resin called wax resin. So this is not true wax, but we can burn this object without any ashes. So it's we can replace wax into these materials. And then after that, we cast it. Yes. So I have to. So this is some example. So one is the silicon mold, and one is the sand mold, and one is the lost wax. It means cluster mold. So yeah, cluster, you know cluster. It's clusters. After putting the water, it will get solid. So this is the cluster. Depending on the method, we can use specific materials. I told you about the melting point. So silicon resist up to 300. So we can use a tin or any low temperature melting point alloy. But it's easy to make it. So today I don't use aluminum, but we will use pewter alloy. There is a pewter alloys. So it melts with around 300 to 400. So it's easy to cast it today. But we will learn how to make the mold. And the sand mold, we tried sand mold instantly with the place and this is the tooth. The sand is also easy way, and it will resist up to 1,700. So over the 1,800, the sand will be glass. So, but most of the metal can use this method. And lost wax has resist until 1,000, but it's okay to use for silver. Silver has a melting point around 1,900, but most of the silver oxide use this method. So it is very nice method. Plaster is very fine powder, so it's easy to get fine surface. So this method is fit for the exercise. Maybe you want to use it. So today, let's try a plaster mold lost wax. we don't need to care about the undercut because the silicone mold, do you have silicone? Silicone is quite soft. So after casting, we can peel off the silicones easily. So we don't need to care about the undercut. So yesterday we couldn't put off the metals after. So that is the problem with the undercut. So under sand mold casting, so it's used in industry area like engine blocks. So it needs aluminum or FV, but we can make mold with sand. Also, this is a nice example using FDM 3D printers. So this is an object. It's the heel of the shoe, baby shoe. The designer designed and printed, and after that, he tried to make the metal mold. So it's one of the possibility of the 3D printers. And casting is quite complicated. So first we will make prototypes. So yeah, first make a prototypes. 3D printer is okay, or we can make by hand with the wax. So wax is today we will try to make a prototype manually, not using 3D printers. So this is the wax materials. So it's easy to melt. So why I don't use the 3D printed wax today? Because the melting point is quite high. So we need special oven, but I couldn't prepare the oven today. So that's why I will use this general modeling wax today. After making the prototypes, burying in the clusters, so today we will use a cup and put the prototype into the cup and pour the water in the cluster, then mix it, pour it, then bury in the clusters. After maybe 10 minutes, after 10 minutes, it will get solid. Then we will put off from the cup and heat it. Then wax will melt out. After that, so there is a space inside of the cluster. We will pour the melted metals. Today we will use paper alloy, so easy to melt using a pan, not using the oven. After that, break the plaster parts and then take off the final product. After that, we will clean up. So we will cut the extra part. Then we will get a final product. So this is the goal.
Can we reuse the plaster?
Plaster, no. But no. But it's very cheap materials for this size. Maybe there are a bunch of prototype into the cup, but into the iron mold, like this. So then, yeah. make a prototype with the mark. I prepared only two tools, cutter, and what is the name? Fine. And if you need, you can use soldering station, soldering iron. I set the temperature for 200, so maybe you can make it easy.
इसका ये डिजाइन जो से है ना सर इसका ये डिजाइन जो लो वैक्स में होते हैं वैक्स को डिजाइन जो 뭐고? 웩스 와서 지 무슨 게 주는 좀 자르디. 왜 저렇게 쉽게 책이 져서 인쇄돼 원?
네, 맛이랑 나게 들어서 있는 건데.
너 하는 거 보이면 아. 너 아까 나와. 난가 저기 있어. 같은 거 넣어야 될 수도 있고.
CNC를 유산한 적 있죠?
멜턴 기면은
멜턴 같은
아마도 회사가 왜 미국에는 모두 그렇게 그렇게 있잖아.
This is bonus. This one is bonus.
No, slowly.
So,
This one.
Not this.
oh wait. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
First ring. First homemade ring.
Coming. Oh, okay, good.
I wish this was gold.